Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to hide iPhone lock screen notifications. Here's what we will cover. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Go to Notifications. Step 3. Change Show Preview Setting. Let us dive right in. Step 1. Open Settings. On your iPhone, unlock the device and open the Settings app. This is the gray icon with gears. Step 2. Go to Notifications. In the main settings menu, scroll down and tap Notifications. This will open all your notification preferences. Step 3. Change Show Preview Setting. Inside Notifications, tap Show Previews. By default, it is set to Always, which means notification contents appear even on your lock screen. Change this to Never. Now, when a notification arrives, you will still see the alert, but the actual message content will stay hidden until you open it. And that's how you hide notification previews from your iPhone lock screen. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And please don't forget to subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick iPhone tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you next time. Bye for now.